You know what's crazy? A lot of people who are trying to grow a business are still wasting hours doing lead generation manually. And I mean literally manually. Opening Google Maps, searching for businesses one by one, clicking through listings, copying phone numbers, hunting for emails, pasting everything into spreadsheets over and over again. Tedious. It's exhausting. And honestly, it's probably one of the biggest drains in the entire outreach process. Because before you can even send a single message or make a single call, you have to build the list. That's the first thing you should do. That alone can eat up an entire day. And that's exactly why I'm making this video. That's why I want to test Lead Sniper's Google Maps Scraper in front of your eyes. Because according to them, the tool can automate the entire process. You enter a niche, you enter a location, and within minutes, it pulls massive amounts of business leads directly from Google Maps into a downloadable spreadsheet. So naturally, I wanted to see if what they say works. And after testing it myself, I have to say it's pretty impressive. Let me show you how that works. So first of all, this is a browser extension, which means everything is really easy to use. Okay, it makes it super easy. It works both on Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, which is nice because a lot of scraping tools only support Chrome. The setup itself is simple. You install the extension, pin it to your browser, and you basically are now ready to go. But before you even start scraping, there's one feature I think deserves more attention, and that's the keyword generator. A lot of people underestimate how important keywords are when scraping Google Maps because the quality of your lead list, that depends heavily on what you search. If you're too broad, you get messy results. If you miss keyword variations, you miss opportunities. Lead Sniper has built-in keyword generator that helps solve that problem. You type in a business category and it generates multiple related keywords. You can use these ideas when you're scraping. So instead of manually brainstorming dozens of search terms yourself, the tool's going to help you create a much more complete targeting list before you even begin. It's a small detail, but it does generally improve the overall workflow. Now, here's where things start to get interesting. Once you open the extension, you'll see a panel where you can paste in multiple searches at once. So maybe you're targeting dentists in Miami, restaurants in Chicago, gyms in London, whatever niche you want. You paste everything in, you click start, and the scraper immediately begins pulling data directly from Google Maps in real time. What stood out to me is how quickly the leads start stacking up. You can literally watch the numbers increase live while the tool runs within a short amount of time. You can even collect hundreds or even thousands of business listings without manually touching anything. And if you're using multiple browser installations at the same time, you can scale the output way faster. Once the scrape is complete, exporting the data, guys, I can't even explain how easy this is. You download everything as a CSV or an XLSX spreadsheet, depending on whatever you use, Excel, Google Sheets, or another platform, doesn't matter. What matters is the amount of information you actually get. You're not just collecting business names. The tool pulls phone numbers, business websites, addresses, social media profiles, review data, and in many cases, email addresses as well. And honestly, the email extraction feature is one of the biggest advantages here because emails usually are not publicly displayed on Google Map itself. Lead Sniper scans the business's websites on top of that are connected to those listings and extracts the contact emails whenever they're available. That saves a huge amount of extra work later on. So by the time your scrape finishes, you're sitting now on a fully organized outreach list that's ready to use immediately. You can call them yourself. You can email yourself. Now, let's talk about pricing because you're probably thinking, hey, everything you've told me right now, this is going to be ridiculous. But this is where a lot of tools either make sense or completely fall apart. One thing I absolutely love about Lead Sniper is they let you test the software before you pay a single dollar. Okay, they have a standard free trial available so you can explore the platform, see how it works, but they also offer something even better. You can actually request access to the full version of the tool and generate unlimited leads for 2 hours. 2 hours can get you thousands and thousands of leads. That's a smart move because it lets you experience the real power of the software before spending any money. You're not testing some heavily restricted demo version. You're testing the actual product. Now, in terms of pricing, the cost for one key starts at $149 for one tool. And unlike many other lead generation platforms, this is not a monthly subscription. You pay $149 once, you have this for life. No recurring charges, no monthly limits, no lead cap. You buy the tool once and you continue using it. What's also nice is they offer bundled discounts when purchasing multiple tools or licenses. And if you're buying in larger quantities, especially over 10 keys, the discounts can go as high as 70%. So the more licenses you purchase, the better the pricing becomes. That makes a huge difference, guys. It's completely different to other agencies, outreach teams, or anyone planning to scale lead generation across multiple users. At the end of the day, this is what it really comes down to: efficiency. If you're doing cold outreach, local marketing, agency prospecting, client acquisition, market research, manually collecting leads simply doesn't make sense anymore. Tools like this remove hours of repetitive work. They turn it into a process that actually just takes a couple of minutes. So you're getting business names, phone numbers, like I said, websites, emails, social profiles, and so much more, all pulled directly from Google Maps into a clean spreadsheet. that you can use that exact moment. Between the free testing options, the one-time pricing model, unlimited lead generation, and the massive discounts buying in bulk, it's easy to see why so many people are using it. So if you want to check it out, guys, please go and hit the link down in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you do subscribe because I'll be sharing way more tools and strategies that can help you save time and grow faster. I'll see you on the next one.